Now before we actually start building your app, we want to get all of the resources available within AppShed. We need to upload them to the AppShed website. We've created these resources, they're in the resource area, and you can copy those and save them onto your local hard drive. Now, in AppShed, on the right hand side, near the bottom of the panel, there are two buttons. One says My Images and the other one My Files. Click on My Images and this will open the image library. On the left hand side you'll see the folders. You've got My Images, which are the ones that you upload. You also have some sample images that you might choose to use as you're building your app or in another app you build at another time. So click on My Images, and then on the right hand side there's a green upload button. Click on that and it'll ask you to browse for the files and the images you want to upload. So browse to where you saved the resources, select all of those images and click Save. That should start the process. You should see all of the images being uploaded one at a time into the My Images area of AppShed. Now we'll be using those as we start building your app. Click Close to close the image library. So let's get started building your first app, and on the left hand side in the toolbar is a button that says App, New App. Click on that and it'll open the wizard. The first thing you'll see is that there are a few templates that you could choose from. You can browse through those and see some examples of what apps look like. And those are pre-built, and that's a way to get started really quickly. But we're going to start from scratch. We're going to use a blank template. So click on the green blank button and that'll take you to the next screen where we fill in the details. The next screen that you see are the details of your apps. The app name is the first field, and that's really important to put a short, catchy name for your app. The second field is the description, and this could be 2 or 3 sentences long and gives people an introduction to what your app's about. And the final one is the app icon. Now this is really important, to have a little picture, a little icon that represents what your app's about. Now when you're creating your own app, of course you can come up with your own app name and make up your description and even design your own icon. But to get you started quickly on this tutorial, we've created those for you. So if you go to the resources area, you can find the text document there. Now that's got a sample app name. Copy and paste the description from that document into the description field. And now I'm going to show you how you upload the icon. Select the icon for your app. We've already uploaded those into the My Images area earlier on in this tutorial. So click on the square box there, just beneath the icon label, and that will open the image library. And if you remember, we uploaded our images into the My Images folder. So click on My Images on the left hand side and you'll see all the resources that we uploaded. Choose one of the icons, there are a few for you to select from. Choose the color scheme that you like and click on Choose, which is a button on the right hand side. You should now see the name of your app, the description and the icon you've selected. Finally, just tick the checkbox that says Accept Terms and Conditions, and then on the right hand side click the Next button.